I'm David.
I'm Hailey.
We're from Intelligent Concrete, and we're starting a very interesting project. And Hailey, what are we going to do?
We are going to simulate wildfires.
Yeah, we're going to give that a chance at least. And why is that?
Because wildfires destroy a lot of homes, a lot of properties.
Yeah, here in Colorado, just a while back, before you moved out from Oklahoma, we had big wildfires over in Colorado Springs. And it just roared into town, and as the wind picked up, it burned out blocks and blocks of homes.
I'm sure the slope doesn't help either.
Yeah, the slope didn't help, the wind didn't help. We live almost 40 miles from here, and when that wind was blowing, we could smell the smoke from our house.
Yeah.
So it's going to be interesting to see if we can do this. So, boy, trees, you know, they're 100 feet, 125 feet tall. That's going to be a pretty tough simulation here. What are we going to do to simulate that?
We're going to use some matches.
We use matches. These, like this?
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah, we're going to use these matches. And so we're going to pretend or simulate that these are trees. And so trees, a lot of times, as crown fires, they burn from tip to tip. Or they can burn from the base, from the bottom, and burn up. So we're going to try these and see if we can simulate that. So what's going to be our first step to do that?
Well, we're using cardboard for now.
Right.
To see if the matches will actually ignite each other.
Right.
We're going to test some angles.
Right.
Wind, maybe.
Little breeze, good idea, because there's breeze. So yeah, we'll see. We'll see if, so like Hailey's saying, we'll stick these in here. We're going to make a 5x5 grid, and then we'll light them and see what happens. And then we'll tip them a little bit and see what happens. Apply a little breeze and see what happens. And after we get that figured out, then what happens?
Then we're going to make a gap.
Yeah.
Oh, we go bigger scale.
Oh, we go big scale. We've got...
Go hard or go home, baby.
Yeah, go big or go home. We got a big panel.
Yep.
I'm sorry, and then we're going to test different parameters.
Yeah, so we're doing 9 different tests at least, and we're going to do some with gaps at varying areas. So let's say a gap here, and a gap at the top. And then we're going to put wood structures there to see how they kind of feed the fire. And then we're going to test concrete structures there to show how they can save the world. And
all the concrete in it.
exactly, and stop or slow down wildfires.
Right, so with maybe a little bit of community planning, I mean, we don't have to change everything.
Yeah.
We don't have to build moats and big walls, but maybe with some community planning and changing a little bit here and there, maybe that'll make small changes, big difference.
Yeah, and concrete homes, I mean, they're cooler sometimes.
Right, have a lot of advantages. I mean, and even if it's just cement siding or tile roof as opposed to other things like that. So that's what we're taking off to do. Fortunately, Hailey's the PI on this.
Can't wait.
I'm going to let her light all the matches, and I'm going to stand by with the hose. So.
Yep, sounds good.
All right, so I'm David.
I'm Hailey.
That's what we're going to try and do. We'll keep you posted.
Go concrete!
Beat wildfires and asphalt.